Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear students, in this video we are going to do fair work of English grammar fair copy. So dear student, take your English grammar fair copy and maintain your page for the fair work. Give here second margin line with a scale. Okay dear students, write here page number. Page number is 101. You will write here. Okay dear students, then you will write parts of speech with blue color. Okay dear students, you will write here parts of speech. Mention here today's date 27/8/21. Write here question number 1. How many parts of speech? How many parts of speech? Put here question mark at the end of question. You will write here answer. There are 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Full stop. Dear students, you will write these all parts with blue color. Write here number 1, noun. Number 1 is noun. Second is pronoun. Third is verb. Fourth is adverb. Fifth is adjective. Sixth is preposition. Seventh is conjunction. And 8th is interjection. Okay dear students. और dear students, आपने इनका बॉर्डर बिल्कुल ऐसे ही कलर से बनाना है जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं. सेम वैसे ही आपने नीट एंड क्लीन राइटिंग में अपना फेयर काम करना है, ओवर राइटिंग नहीं करनी. देन यू विल टर्न योर कॉपी पेज. Dear students, again you will maintain your page. Give here second margin line. Write here page number. Page number will be 2. Okay dear students, give heading of noun. Write here noun with blue color. Noun is a name of any person, comma, place, comma, animal or thing. Full stop. And then you will write examples with blue color. Masjid, comma, school, comma, bookshop, comma, alligator, comma, cat, comma, book, comma, table, etc. Okay dear students, and at the end you will put here full stop. Students, once again you will maintain your page for the kinds of noun. Give here second margin line with a scale. Write here page number. Page number will be 3. Dear students, you will write here kinds of noun with blue color. Number 1, common noun. Okay dear students, you will write with blue color. A name for an unspecific person, comma, place, comma, animal or thing. Full stop. Write here examples. Teacher, comma, doctor, comma, restaurant, comma, continent, comma, lion, comma, calculator, etc. Write here number 2, proper noun. Proper noun refers to the name of a specific person, comma, place, comma, animal or thing. Full stop. Examples: Tom, comma, Pakistan, comma, Simba, Samsung mobile, etc. Put here full stop. So dear student, your today's homework is you will do this fair work with neat and clean writing. Okay dear students, आपने ये फेयर काम राइटिंग के रूल्स को फॉलो करते हुए फेयर करना है और ओवर राइटिंग बिल्कुल नहीं करनी. And you will also memorize parts of speech names with spelling. Send your homework in WhatsApp group. Hope you understood. Allah Hafiz.